This is James. This is the first step for the one-ton per hour with the pilot line. The first step is the drying section. For the 1 ton per hour line, the dryer should use a very small dryer. The dryer its diameter is smaller than this one. This one its diameter is 2 meters, but for 1 ton per hour, it only needs 1.5 meters. And the lines for the dryer is 18 meters. But for shipping by the container, we should make the dryer to 2 parts, and each part is only 9 meters, like this. This one is very long, it's for shipping, so we make it 2 parts. And when it arrives your factory, we connect it. And for this dryer, it's use a big burner. The big burner, or we call it a stove. Hello, this part is between the dryer and stove. We call it sinking room. Its function is prevent the spark and the flame, only make the hot air pass. How it works? This part, it will connect the burner or stove or heater. A hot air feeding here, feeding. And this part for connect the dryer. So hot air feeding and hot air output. A lot of spark, a lot of ash, particle, a lot of things will sinking here. And all clean, the very clean hot air will output. That is the function. And for your dryer system, I will use this in the quotation. Thank you. Dryer. For 1 ton per hour pilot line, it needs a dryer. It is the same size with this one. This dryer, its diameter is 1.5 meters, and the total length is 18 meters. But this one is for use in the domestic. But if we shipping it to Indonesia, we should use it by container. And the container length is only 12 meters, so we have to cut it into 2 parts. Cut it into 2 parts, and each part is only 9 meters. Thank you. Hello, this is the step 2 for the 1 ton per hour with the pilot line. This is a hammer mill. This hammer mill its capacity is 1 ton per hour. Because the first step is dryer. By using dryer, we can get 1 ton per hour the dried baggage. And the baggage is very hard to store it in a silo. It's very easy to store. So if we use dryer, we can put all the dried baggage on the ground. Just put on the ground and use some labor or forklift to feeding the baggage to the belt conveyor. All the baggage will feed into the belt conveyor, then feed into the hammer mill. And this is a complete hammer mill for your 1 ton per hour with pilot line. It's the same size as this. Feeding belt conveyor, hammer mill, and the pan, and the cyclone, and the discharge airlock, and the fan blower, and the dust collection system. It is same with yours. Thank you. Now let us see inside the hammer mill. There are about 72 hammers inside it. And all the hammers will crush the baggage to sawdust and discharge here. And this is the screen. For the screen, normally we use it, the screen, the hole its size is 10 mm. But if your raw material moisture is very high, we can enlarge its size, make it 12 or 14 mm. But for your raw material, I think 10 mm is enough. Sure. Hello, this is the step 3 for the 1 ton per hour with the pilot line. After using the dryer and hammer mill, we get the dry and very fine size the sawdust. Then the third step, we use a conveyor. This one is a bunker elevator. This one is bunker elevator. It is very tall and can reduce the space. But we can also use the belt conveyor. Belt conveyor, the price is cheaper. For me, I think use belt conveyor is better. The conveyor will feed in the sawdust into this buffer silo. For 1 ton per hour with the pellet line, the silo size is only 10 cbm. 10 cbm is big enough for 1 ton per hour. All the finished the sawdust will feed into the pellet mill via screw conveyor. The screw conveyor will with frequency. We can use frequency to control the feeding speed. And this one is with the pellet mill. For 1 ton per hour with the pellet mill, the model is YGKG560, but we make the motor is very small. The motor power is only 90 kW. 90 kW with the pellet mill, making the finished output is only 1 ton per hour. The finished pellet temperature is very high. Normally it's about 60 to 90 degrees, very hot. So we should use a belt conveyor feeding it to the coating machine. I'm sorry, in the testing workshop we have no coating machine stock right now, so we didn't make it. But for your line, when you install it, you should install a coating machine. After our coating machine, we use another belt conveyor to feeding the pellet to the packing machine. This is the packing machine. For 1 ton per hour with the pellet line, this is the finished pellet silo. It's very small, just only 2 cbm is enough. And this part is the automatic packing machine. Finished pellet will discharge from here, and we use a bag to loading the pellet here. And this small belt, it can transport the pellet bags and can also automatic weighting its scales. So this is how the 1 ton per hour with the pellet will work. I hope you can understand. Thank you. Hello, this is the PLC control system. How it works, I will show you. Here is your office. You can control order with the pellet line in your office, even though the office is 50 meters away from your workshop. It is okay. In the office, you can click the control system. This is a hammer mill crushing system. This is the dryer system. This is the pellet mill system, coating and packing machine. And this one for tester the electric. So you can, one table is enough here to control all the machine to running, to stop, and running and stop just by clicking it here in the office. And in the meantime, it can record it can record a lot of things. It can record the capacity of different machine. It can record the motor rotary speed. It can record the rotary, all the motor temperature. And if the motor temperature is very high, that means the machine is very dangerous. We should stop it. All the things will show in this system. And beside the central system in the computer, nearby the machine, near the hammer mill, dryer with the pellet mill, there will be one electric box nearby. And in the electric box, there will be a touch screen. Later I will show you how it works. So the total PLC system includes 2 parts. One part is in the office. A computer system control it. The second part is nearby the machine. The separator electric box and the other electric box have touch screen control. Thank you.